Here I have Motorola Moto G24, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the accessibility section, and here you can find Talkback. So here you can enable it, and after that Talkback tutorial starts.
Talkback
and it
on.
talks
Welcome
non-stop. I'm gonna
Close.
just explain
Button.
it to you briefly.
Double tap to activate.
So as you could hear, it says like when you tap on the button, it says double tap to activate, but what it doesn't imply that you have to double tap anywhere on the screen to confirm it, not specifically on this button, like this.
Close tutorial. You can come back to it anytime in time.
Basically, this
Welcome to
mode is
Talkback.
made mostly for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on the screen, like this. So you tap on this text,
Welcome to Talkback.
and this whole
Page
text
1 of
gets
5.
spoken
Talkback
out
is a
loud.
screen reader and
You tap on
Close.
some button, this button gets
double
spoken
tap
out
to
loud,
activate.
and that's the way it works. So to disable
Close
it,
tutorial.
you close,
Talkback.
tap on the navigator,
Use Talkback.
this navigation switch,
Settings. Use stop talk.
stop please,
Talkback
and that's
on.
how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.